Catherine and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how do I edit my YouTube videos since this is a highly requested one, so here it is. But before we start, if you want to be part of the hashtag family, and all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button right beside the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my videos. And guys, I use this MacBook Air. This is what I use in editing my videos and thumbnail. So without further ado, let's hop into the tutorial.
Okay, so the first thing that I do is I grab my phone and import all the files to my laptop. Next, I start off with basic editing. I only use iMovie at this part, so the first thing that I'm doing is to make a new movie, and I'm just dragging the clips and I put them first in order. Next is I'm cutting out all the parts that I messed up. Next is I add green screens. Now we are going to Keynote. This is where I do my green screen titles, action clips, and thumbnails. I'm going to change the size to 1280 by 720 and change the color into green. But if you are still starting to figure out about green screens, you can go to YouTube and download green screen packs, but you need to give credits to the owner. Number 4 is I add transitions. So it is pretty easy to do. You can get some of these from iMovie or YouTube as well. So what I do is I drag the green screen on top of the video as my overlay, and I'm going to click this box icon and click green screen. But you have multiple of choices. You can get some of these from transitions from iMovie. The last thing that I do is I add sound effects and background music. Some of my SE are from iMovie itself, some are downloaded from YouTube. All you have to do is go to YouTube and search for whatever sound effects you would like to use and then download it as an MP3 and import it again here in iMovie. For the background music, I go to Audio Library because they offer no copyright music and I love their content so much. And if you'll notice, all of my BGs are from Audio Library. But there are a lot of no copyright music on YT and on SoundCloud as well. So what I do is I copy the link and go to MP3 converter and download the music so I can be able to use the chosen song to my video. After that, I'm going to save and copy the video to my flash drive, and that's basically it.
And now let's proceed to the shoutout part. So shout out to Mayo Chang Hagiwara, Althea Season, Ronaline Blanquisco, Kiana Trisha, shout out to Lay Antoyado, Mark Balanta, Laika Lamera, she's my best friend, and Hariel Crebilio, Rika Rain Ching, and Sophia Ganibo. So that's it for this video, and I hope it was helpful in some way. And if you like it, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to be part of the family. Also leave a comment down below telling me what videos you guys want to see soon. And yeah, that's it. See you guys next week. Bye!